In this video, I'll show you how to download free MP3 music from YouTube on your mobile phone. First, open your mobile web browser and go to YouTube Studio. Next, tap the menu icon and select Audio Library. Here, you'll find a large collection of free music and sound effects that you can use in your videos. Browse the available tracks or use the search option to find the music you want. Tap the play button to preview any track. When you find a song you like, tap the download button next to it. The music will be downloaded to your phone as an MP3 file. Once the download is complete, open your Files or Downloads folder to access the MP3. That's it. This is how you can download free MP3 music from the YouTube audio library on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.